Hey you guys, in today's video, I'm just going to be getting ready, but I'm watching How to Get Away with Murder and I don't want to stop watching it, so this will be a voiceover. Get ready with me. I just want to get on here and say hi and let you know that I appreciate you guys. Before we get into this video, please subscribe with the button down below and make sure you hit the notification bell so you don't miss another video. I'm getting ready for a day with my family, basically. I'm gonna go see my grandma, see my cousin Kristen, you know what I'm saying, because I miss her so much. And we always be kind of turned and taking pictures all the time. So definitely hit the like button too if you want more Get Ready With Me's. You can see the makeup that I wear every single day. I sound so nasally. I need to go blow my nose. So yeah, I don't know what I'm using today. I was gonna dip into this coastal scent stuff, but I want to do a dedicated video with that stuff. So I think I'm gonna wait for that. I am gonna put up an unboxing soon. I don't know if it's already up. I'll link it in the card right here, but if not, stay tuned for that. Yeah, I don't know what I'm gonna do, so let me get a face together and then I'll pop back on here with one eye done, my brows done, and then we'll get right into how I did it. Okay, so first I had to get presentable and do my hair, and then we're gonna go in with the Makeup Obsessions Brow Goals pencil. I really like this pencil. It's very easy to use, very precise. I love the color. It's just mad easy to use, and it's very weighted, and I really like that it feels luxurious. Then we're gonna go in and carve our brows out with the I Heart Stage eyeshadow base from Essence, and I'm just gonna carve it out with this Morphe brush. You can use any brush that's convenient for you. And then I'm blending out with a Sigma brush. I'll list all the brushes down below. And then we're going to use the Blur Activation Primer, which is really silky and smooth. You would think it's a silicone primer, but it's really good. And it really smoothed out my skin. I really enjoyed this from Joa. Then we're going to go in with the LA Girl Pro Matte Foundation, which is one of my favorites. This color is light beige, I believe, and it matches me so well. And I actually absolutely love this Rimmel sponge. It's so bouncy and so soft, and I enjoy it a lot. And then we're taking this dual-ended highlight and contour pencil crayon thing from Rimmel, and we're going to contour just a little bit. I always cream contour whenever I do my everyday makeup. For some reason, I just think it just gives me a little bit more. Then we're going to use Pine Nut from the Kylie Concealer Collection. I really like this concealer because of the fact that it's full coverage, it's very thin, it doesn't crease. It's semi-matte, it's not too drying under my eyes. It was just really amazing, and I love this. I definitely would suggest checking it out. Friday, I know Kylie is having 40% off her whole website. And I'm using the Kylie setting powder, which I love this stuff as well. This is shade yellow, and it actually highlighted my face really well, as well as controlled my oils and baked my skin, didn't crease or anything. So I'm just baking and wiping that off. And then you can see me doing a TikTok here. But then I'm using the Feels Contour and Highlight Palette from Makeup Obsessions. I'm using the shade, I believe it's Respect. Don't quote me on that because I don't have any of this stuff in front of me. And I'm just going to contour my cheeks, and then you see me contour my nose a little bit. This is basically what I do. I do my skin first whenever I do my everyday makeup, guys. That is how different glam and everyday makeup is for me. I would say this is full coverage every day. And then we're taking the shade. Well, actually, I don't know what the shade this is, but this is one of the Feels highlighters from Makeup Obsessions. Look at that, guys. It's so good. And then I am taking this highlight from the Feels Contour and Highlight Palette and just highlighting those really high points of my face. I did this on my brow bone, my inner corner, my nose, and I did believe I put this on my cheekbones, right in the middle of that other highlight. And then I'm using the Feels eyeshadow palette. I'm using this neutral brown shade and just popping that in the crease. We're going for a really easy, simple eye look. My glam looks are so different from my everyday looks, and I really wanted you guys to show you what I do every day. Basically, I pop some in the crease like this. Just really simple, really messy, to be honest. Then I go in with the shimmer. I love this color. This color is like really unique. Like you can see like the different dimensions in it. And I apply this with my finger all over my lid. No cut crease, no nothing like that. Like literally so easy, so simple. Then what I do is I deepen it from there. I won't deepen it until I get that lid on. So I'm deepening it with this neutral, like it's kind of warmish, but it's not too warm. This brown color from this palette, and I'm deepening it with a really precise little blending brush. And then what I'll do is I'll take that same color and I'll just swipe it on my lower lash line. Like it's so simple. This is like what I do every day. And you guys love this on my Instagram stories, so I was like, I'm so happy I filmed it. Then I'm taking this dark brown eyeliner from Joa, which this was like really good. Like I really enjoyed this eyeliner. I'm really excited to try the black one. It's like semi-matte. It's not too matte, which I wouldn't care if it's too matte because matte wing liner is like amazing. But I enjoyed this one. This one was like really good. Like it's really precise. It's very pigmented. It didn't like dry out or skip. It didn't bleed at all. You guys, Joa is onto something because boy, I've been enjoying some Joa so much, especially them Color Squad lipsticks. So definitely check out Joa. I believe they're at CVS. And then I'm using this Pixie Pretties glow powder. If I don't know the shade or something, I'll put it in the description with it linked. This is one of their glowy powders. And then we got a Kylie lip combo, which this has been my go-to. I just use the Moon lip pencil and then I put a high gloss on top. Either it's this one, which is always shining, or it's Oh You Fancy. Either one of those are my two first ones, and I need all of them. I love the high gloss, and you know I'm not a lip gloss type of girl, but high gloss is popping. It's very glass-like. It makes your lips look so glassy. But this is the finished look. I just popped some mascara on after this, but I did it off camera. And I believe I used the Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara. So yeah, let me know in the comments down below what you guys have used, if you guys use any of this stuff, what your thoughts are, what you probably want to purchase. Definitely a easy, cute holiday glam. You can use a matte lip if you want to, so you don't have to worry about anything running or anything. But thank you for watching, and I really appreciate you guys coming and showing me love and support, and I'll see you in my next video.